coax cable changes on the Sony Walkman W910i is very difficult. But you want to know what's not difficult? Cleaning a phone. Yep, we have this Samsung Galaxy A54 that looks like it was belonging to a child that certainly treats it like their iPad. Anyways, let's go ahead and remove this case and let's clean up the phone. I just got the case removed. What the hell is that? Is that styrofoam or chicken pox? Anyways, let's go ahead and clean up this masterpiece. Wet wipe is the way to go. Perfect. Back looks fine. Let's go ahead and clean the case now. I went ahead and cleaned it off camera because it literally took a while. Now let's clean up the front of the phone. Holy germs. What the hell is this sticky bullshit? If I ever get an A54, I'm buying this case. I want that kickstand, so I don't have to put my phone up when I want to watch something while on the airplane. Alright, case looks clean. Now let's clean those holes that are filled with Cheeto dust. Your child's iPad probably needs a whole AC team, but with this is just a toothbrush, one of these pins, and that's basically it. And also a wet wipe. Alright, one side of the logo cleaned. Now let's go ahead and clean up the other. Alright, cleaning process is kind of done. Let's go ahead and put it back in its case. Rate the looks 1 out of 10. Now we cleaned up the phone. Let's give it back to the customer. One more test. Does it still charge? Wait, I can't plug it in just like this. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Yes, it charges! Now it's successfully ready.